you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Well, thanks. What are you doing here?
Right now I'm just stuffing our green olives with a smoked tomato puree,
Yum.
and then later we're going to crumb them and then deep fry them as a snack on the menu.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Yeah.
And what's your role within this kitchen?
So I'm a demi chef, so it means I work across the kitchen wherever they need me. I'm just above a commis chef, so it goes apprentice, commis, demi, CDP, sous, and then head chef. And pretty much I just float wherever they need me.
And how long have you been working to get to this level?
I've been working here as a chef since I was 16, so I'm now 21. It's been a few years, but
Quite a while. How did you get into the industry?
So in high school they didn't have a hospitality program that I could do, so I was pretty much looking for different options, and I found the Nikki program through my cousin, and I just went from there. I finished school and then went straight into chefing.
What's the Nikki program?
The Nikki program is the National Indigenous Culinary Institute, where we teach young Aboriginal chefs how to cook and to be a part of the industry, and yeah.
And is that like an apprenticeship? Did you get training, practical and theory?
Yeah, there's lots of training. You go into TAFE once a week, and you work for the other 4 days of the week, have 2 days off, and yeah.
And how long are you in the industry for? Is it a few years or?
So the apprenticeship is 3 years. It's 2 years at TAFE. So doing the 1 day at TAFE and 4 days at your restaurant, and then 1 whole year just in the restaurant, and then you become a qualified chef.
Oh, awesome. So you said you're a demi chef.
Yeah, so I mainly work here on hot entrees, but if they need me on larder, where I'll do sashimi, they need me on pastry, where I'll help out with desserts, I'll jump wherever they need me.
And what's the larder station?
The larder section is mainly based of salads, cold entrees, sashimi, lots of sides, yeah.
Delicious. And what's a common misconception about your industry?
Maybe that we don't have a life outside of work, because we have definitely worked on that. We're trying our best to make sure that everybody gets to enjoy their free time and go out, see their friends and family, and still have a life.
That's so interesting, because I always thought that chefs worked a lot of hours. Do you work 8 o'clock start, or do you do evenings?
Yeah, we tend to do 8 a.m.s till 4 p.m.s. We try to have half an hour breaks, and they try to make sure that we don't have to do morning, nights, mornings. So like everything's trying to even off the board.
That's great. And then you've got 2 days off for a weekend as well?
Yes.
Perfect. And last question, what do you love about your role?
I love working here with all my friends. We all get along so well. You know, it seems like we all just have so much fun that it doesn't seem like work sometimes.
Oh, that's such a nice answer. Well, we'll leave you to it because you look busy, but thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.